Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the most honest and detailed reviews of trending tech, fitness, and lifestyle gear. And today, you're about to see the best folding electric 2.5 HP treadmill that redefines what home and office workouts can feel like. If you've ever wished for a treadmill that's compact, powerful, safe, and sleek, then stay with us for the next 5 minutes. Because this under-desk treadmill with Incline might be the one you've been searching for. Let's begin with what makes this treadmill stand out immediately: safety and design. Unlike many flimsy walking pads out there, this treadmill comes with a sturdy handlebar system that gives you full 360-degree balance support. Whether you're walking, jogging, or recovering from injury, this anti-sway design dramatically reduces the fear of losing your balance. It's particularly great for people focused on rehabilitation, fat loss, or simply low-impact cardio. During use, it's designed to reduce 30% of your body weight impact, offering incredible joint protection, especially for your knees. Next up, the Incline feature. This treadmill includes a 2-level manually adjustable incline that goes up to 12%. What does that mean? You're simulating uphill walking, which burns up to 1.8 times more calories than using a flat surface. So, in the same 30-minute workout, you're pushing your body harder and seeing results faster. The Incline, combined with a 16-inch extra-wide belt, creates a comfortable yet challenging fitness experience even for taller or wider users. Now let's talk motor and performance. At the heart of this treadmill is a 3.0 HP brushless motor. It's quiet, durable, and supports walking and jogging speeds from 0.6 to 4.0 miles per hour. Whether you want a light stroll during meetings or a more intense jogging session before dinner, this motor delivers consistent power without the irritating hum. And speaking of power, this treadmill boasts a load capacity of 320 pounds, more than most competitors in its category. One of its most impressive features is the joint safeguard system. The treadmill is built with 6 high-performance damping absorbers and a 7-layer shock-absorbing belt. That results in a massive 60% reduction in joint impact. For those recovering from injuries, older users, or anyone concerned about joint health, this is a huge plus. You can feel confident with every step, knowing your body is being supported and protected. The foldable design is genius. At just 4.2 inches tall when folded, it can be rolled and stored under your bed, sofa, or desk. Thanks to its lightweight frame, around 18 kilograms, and front wheels, repositioning or moving it takes very little effort. No assembly is needed either, making it 100% installation-free right out of the box. And yes, it comes with a large LED screen for tracking your stats and a remote control for easy speed adjustment, so you don't have to fiddle with controls mid-workout. Whether you're at your home office or watching TV, it's designed to seamlessly fit into your environment without disrupting your workflow or space. If you're in the market for a powerful yet compact treadmill that doesn't compromise on safety, performance, or storage convenience, this under-desk treadmill with Incline might just be your best investment this year. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want us to review a specific product next. Until next time, stay fit and stay smart.